In today's video I'm going to show you how to remove repeaters or specific items within a repeater on Wix. Click on the repeater element you want to remove. Entire repeater will be highlighted and simply press delete key on your keyboard or right click on repeater and select delete from context menu. This will remove entire repeater from your page. If you want to remove specific item from a repeater, with repeater selected, look for Manage Items button, usually found in the toolbar. In the Manage Items panel, you will see a list of all items, cards or blocks within the repeater. As you point on each item, it will be highlighted on your page. To remove specific item, click on 3 dots next to the item you want to delete, and then select Delete. An item will be removed, and remaining items will be automatically adjusted to fill space. After deleting items from repeater, you may need to adjust section height to remove any unnecessary space. You can do this by dragging section height adjuster or using section settings panel.